Okay, so this is just kind of a tutorial of how to use Google Forms. You start on the Google Forms doc, and you pick blank form. When using the Google Form, it's actually pretty easy to use. You start with what you want the title of the Google Form to be. So, just for the sake of it, I'm gonna type in Google Forms tutorial. You click on the option, and then you type in the whatever question that you want to ask. How to use ? And then you go to option and you type in the answer. Option right here. So to continue to use, you see this button right here. It says multiple choice. Click on it. You can choose what type of answers you want: short answer, paragraph, text boxes, drop down, so forth and so forth. And that's pretty much all to using the Google Form. When you're done and finish, and then you just hit share, and it'll give you a link to send it to. And it takes you through a step-by-step process on how to fill everything out. And that's how you use Google Forms.